Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, February 6, 2017. Well, we have a weak cold front that's moving through the region this morning, producing a few flurries, but no real significant impacts. And we also have some overcast clouds. Look for broken to overcast clouds through the day today, with temperatures rising into the upper 30s to lower 40s, as we rebound from temperatures this morning ranging anywhere from the mid to upper teens over the far northern interior, lower to mid-20s in our suburbs, and upper 20s to lower 30s in our major cities and along the coast. On the latest surface map, high pressure is pushing off the coast. Our weak cold front's basically starting to collapse, and we have another one following it. But we do have a winter storm that is going to be on the way by the time we get to tomorrow morning that will have some significant impacts on the morning rush hour. Currently on the radar, not much. This is more bark than bite. A lot of this is not reaching the ground. There's some dry air in the mid-levels preventing a lot of this from reaching the ground. But there will be a few flurries here and there that will be moving through, but no significant snowfall accumulations expected. On the infrared satellite picture, here is our storm that is starting to develop out here in the plains. As this low pressure system dives towards the Tennessee River Valley, it will start to organize and strengthen, and then track towards basically Philadelphia and right through New York City into southern New England tomorrow. And that's going to lead to a changeover from snow to rain along the coast and a pretty nice heavy snowfall over portions of the interior, especially over the Poconos. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, high pressure will exit the region, a weak cold front moves through. Look for variable cloud cover with highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. For tonight, high pressure will be in control, but exit by the time we get to tomorrow morning. Look for snow to break out sometime between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. throughout the region. It will be light, but it will start immediately mixing with sleet and rain along the coast. Look for lows in the mid-20s, rapidly rising through the 20s into the 30s as we head towards the mid-morning hours along the coast. Meanwhile, the interior will remain cold with high pressure locked into the north and our low pressure system tracking to the northeast. By the time we get to the afternoon, we've got a real thermal gradient setting up here. Now you notice the low pressure system tracks from Tennessee right through Philadelphia and New York City and right into southeastern New England. And that means we'll have a southeasterly wind at the coast, and that will lead to periods of rain, heavy at times, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. However, further north, you'll get more of a mix of precipitation over northern Connecticut and also portions of northwestern New Jersey and the Hudson River Valley, and periods of snow over the Poconos in northeastern New Jersey. So that's going to lead to some significant snowfall in these locations. And so here's the forecast that we're expecting here with this storm. Again, along the New Jersey coast, this is primarily going to be rain. So basically from southeastern Monmouth County down through Cape May and off to southwest New Jersey, you may see a start off of snow for just a few minutes, but this will rapidly change over to rain as warm air invades the region. And then the rain snow line just continues to push to the north and west as we move on through the morning hours, with around a trace to an inch of snow in the Philadelphia metro, central New Jersey, and much of Long Island. 1 to 2 inches of snow, mostly on cold surfaces, can be expected over locations like York, Lancaster, and southeastern Pennsylvania, just to the northwest of Philadelphia, the northwest suburbs. Same thing with New York City, again, mostly on cold surfaces, and also around northeastern New Jersey, up through coastal Connecticut. Now, as you move further north and west, where the cold air is going to be more established, you'll have more of a northeasterly wind for much of the storm. This is where the snow accumulation will start to pile up. And this is also where we start to see our winter storm watches, which will likely become warnings. And look for winter weather advisories to set up further south along those warnings. So let's say southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, New York City, portions of central and northern New Jersey, and coastal Connecticut will likely go over to winter weather advisories because we're going to be having frozen precipitation in the middle of the morning rush hour. So not exactly the best scenario there. However, as you head further north and west with the cold air hanging on longer, you'll have 2 to 4 inches of snow as you move further north and west, and then even towards the interior, up towards Hartford, central Hudson River Valley, and just to south of Scranton, 3 to 6 inches of snow before a brief change over to ice and rain. And then as you head up towards the Poconos, right around Scranton, up towards, basically towards Albany, you're looking at anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow, staying all frozen for this entire event as the low pressure system tracks to the south, and these locations remain with a north to northeasterly wind with cold air funneling south. Temperatures are going to vary quite a bit on Wednesday. So for tomorrow, you're going to have highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. But mid-30s to lower 40s as you head further inland, especially in these colder locations. And then as you head further north towards the northern interior, basically lower to mid-30s, where the cold air will be locked in. On Thursday, the storm leaves. So about 5 a.m. everyone should clear out as far as precipitation. And temperatures will not be going anywhere on Thursday morning with cold air building in. Look for lows in the upper teens to lower 20s, highs in the lower to mid-30s. On Friday morning, the high pressure system will be moving right over the region. Those of you in the interior, especially with a fresh snowpack, clear skies, light winds, those temperatures will plummet, in some locations possibly even below zero. However, along the coast, where there isn't as much snow or any snow at all, even though there will be clear skies, temperatures will only fall into the upper teens to lower 20s. Still pretty chilly, but nowhere near as impressive as what you'll see with locations where you have 4 inches or more on the ground. High temperatures will rebound into the lower to mid-30s. On Saturday, high pressure will push off the coast. A weak cold front will approach, or should I say a weak warm front will approach, with increasing clouds and a few scattered showers. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s. On Sunday, an area low pressure will approach with a warm front with periods of showers expected. Look for lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Monday, high pressure will be in place with clear skies, lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. And on Tuesday, with high pressure moving over the region, you'll have low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s, possibly a few single digits mixed in there, again with that lingering snowpack. But then high temperatures with a southwesterly wind will rebound into the upper 40s to lower 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, stay safe out there.